Well, hello everyone, how are you all doing? In today's video, we are going to talk about the iOS 14.5 on the iPhone 7. So here's my iPhone 7 and after installing this update, I did notice some things. First of all, the update was almost 4 gigabytes and I was not coming from iOS 14.5.1 but still I'm coming from iOS 14.6 beta, but still this update was so big. Obviously it is RC, so it was actually expected to be a big update, but considering it did not brought any major new features and changes just like the iOS 14.5, this is more of like a security fix and all, a speed improvement fix with just tiny little features. I don't think so. Apple should have been done it with like 2 gigabytes of update, but it is 4 gigabytes. It is really big update though. Well, right now I have 22.3 gigabytes of storage. Earlier, before installing this update, I had 21 gigabytes. So this update did freed up a lot of storage from my iPhone 7, and if you are running iPhone 7 with 32 gig, it is a really great update. And if you are on beta, right, so from beta to RC, it is a great upgrade. You will get some storage back. Actually, talking about the speed also, this device actually feels really silky and really smooth after installing this update, and everything from widgets to web pages and everything just load up really quickly. And I really like the fact that iPhone 7 is getting so much faster with every single update. Though can't say the same for the battery life, because battery on iPhone 7 is not the best, and battery drain issue is mostly not fixed here because I can already feel it. Although iOS 14.6 RC have not been out for a long time, but still I can feel that this device is still getting some battery drain issue, and it is getting still a little bit heated up from this side, and it was not happening with me on iOS 14.4, but it started happening with me after iOS 14.5. So this may be a concerning thing for some people. It is not like really warm for me, but it is getting overheated for a lot of people. They did reported me on my Twitter at the rate tech hype. You can also report me stuff. I will report it in my videos. It will be really helpful so that everyone should be aware about what's going on with their devices. Well, another thing is that on Twitter, one of my subscribers asked me that if the battery health dropped a percentage or two, especially on iPhone 11s, then normal or not. So especially if it is your iPhone 11, don't be worried. iPhone 11, we all are aware about it. The iPhone 11 is having some recalibration, so it may be that your device just finished recalibration. And although whenever you update any device, it does update every resource including the battery health, so don't be worried. If your device is like above 90% after an year or after 1.5 years, you are good to go. If your battery health dropped below 90% in warranty period, Apple can replace your battery for free, because that may be a fault. Personally, on my iPhone 7, I did replace the battery last year and it is at 99% still. I mean, it's pretty good, right? Mainly because I don't use this device as my primary device, but I still do drain this device a lot. I do actually switch my SIM like once in a month on this device, so that I can test and review it on my channel for you guys on every iOS firmware. Well, that's pretty much it for this update. We do have some podcast and Apple Card family features. Although Apple Card is not here in my country, it's not a thing. And in Malaysia, if you are owning an Apple Watch, you can now use ECG if you have Apple Watch Series 4 and above. That's pretty much it for Apple updates day to day, and I will meet you all in the very next episode. Apple will be rolling out the public version really soon, so I can't wait for that. Right now it's 18th, and I guess Apple will release it on 25th or 24th next week. Peace out and take care.